Today we are July the 5th and it is currently 9:56 in the morning. I just finished getting ready and yeah, I'm just sitting on my bed watching Queer Eye, and I thought I'd start the vlog because I haven't done a proper like chit chat with you guys recently. The past few days have only been like aesthetic kind of clips and stuff like that, and I thought it'll be nice just to talk to you guys and update you. So yeah. Today's a chilled out day. Everybody's out of the house. My sister's in Amsterdam. My mom just went to reunite with a friend, and yeah, I'm just here. I'm babysitting anyway today until 11, so I'm excited. It's the last day. But yeah, I'm really excited. The past few days have been really good. If you guys haven't seen the first two vlogs of Paris, I would link them down below if you guys want to catch up, but make sure you're catched up on all the vlogs so you can continue on with what's going on. We officially have 4 days left until I reunite with Izzy, and I'm so excited. Like, I cannot believe it's 4 days left. Like, it's crazy. So tomorrow I'm gonna start packing. I will vlog that, and yeah, I'm just getting super excited. It like hit me yesterday that I was really just going to see her, and I just got properly excited, so I cannot wait. Obviously I'm going to vlog everything for you guys. I've made a schedule of how I wanted to do. We're gonna film some videos together, but I want to clarify that all these videos and all these vlogs will be uploaded the week after. So I'm gone to England from the 9th till the 15th of July. And the week after that, we're going to my grandparents. When I'm at my grandparents, I will edit all these vlogs, all these videos, and upload as we go. So I'll update you guys on Instagram stories and Snapchat, so make sure you're following me so you can keep up with all of that fun stuff. So I will vlog. I'm going to do 2 days in one vlog, so it's much easier. I'm really excited, honestly, and then we're gonna do some videos together, I think. So yeah. Good morning everyone, or good afternoon, and welcome back to the next day of this vlog. I don't know when this vlog is gonna end, but I think it's gonna end tomorrow and it will be uploaded on Sunday. So today we are Friday, and it is currently 3:16 in the afternoon, and I am just going to start packing for Monday. I'm very excited. This morning I went to get her gifts, which I will show when I'm with her, when I'm giving it to her. So you just have to wait for that. And yeah, it's been a good morning. We're doing good so far. Today France is playing against Uruguay, so I'm going to go see it at a bar because I want to get like the full ambience, and it's just funner to watch it like with more people, even if you don't know them. Like, it's just funner. We got the suitcase, and it's empty. So I started doing my bag. I am taking this bag, like all the essentials, my ticket, my like like cords and like chargers and stuff like that, and then my wallet, and then yeah, I'm gonna add, you know, then I'm gonna take my camera, my sunglasses, this tripod, and obviously my phone and earphones and just other stuff. from our wonderful visit at the opera, and I just wanted to end the vlog here. Yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe right here and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and get ready for those England vlogs coming next week, like I mentioned. Not next week, but the week after. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for that, and yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.